Economical, solid, dependable. The Dead-Weight Consolidation Load Frame from Karol-Warner is an ideal addition to any materials testing lab for reliable, repeatable soil consolidation test results. With a load capacity up to 48 tons per square foot, this compact tabletop unit requires minimal setup space, accepts fixed or floating ring consolidometers from most manufacturers for specimen sizes up to 3 inches, and meets the requirements for test methods AASHTO T216, ASTM D2435, and ASTM D4546. A consolidometer, sold separately, is centered on the top platform with locating pins. Each load frame is equipped with an adjustable rear weight counterbalance beam assembly, which allows beam ratios of 9:1, 10:1, or 11:1. Weight sets, which are also sold separately, are required for testing and are used with the included weight hanger, which comes complete with the parts necessary for direct installation on the load frame. The testing device works with a mechanical or digital dial indicator, or you can opt for a displacement transducer and readout box setup. Built for long service life, the frame itself is constructed of powder-coated aluminum, the plate and cross arm are made of corrosion-resistant anodized aluminum, and the heavy-duty rods feature durable stainless steel construction. The versatile dead-weight consolidation load frame can easily be converted from a tabletop unit to a freestanding floor model with this rugged steel stand, sold separately. Accurate results, sturdy construction, and adaptable to just about any test environment, the Dead-Weight Consolidation Load Frame from Karol-Warner is a perfect choice for soil consolidation testing. Karol-Warner, proudly providing geotechnical testing equipment since 1954.